Hi all, let's see Func Delegate in C Sharp. A func is a built-in generic delegate. Let's consider this some method. When we call this method using delegate, we have to create a delegate which should match our method signature and have to create an object for that delegate and assign our method to that object and have to call that object to access our method. But by using func keyword, we assign our method directly to func object. But inside func angle brackets, we have to pass the number of parameters data type of the function. Here, some method having two parameters, both are int data type. So, int comma int, and the last parameter should be out parameter, which is considered as return type and used for result. Here we are returning int value, so that the last parameter type is int. Func delegate is used for value returning method. If the method have no return statement, we cannot use func in that place. In that place, we can use action delegate. In our next video, we see action delegate. Now let's see example of func delegate. Here created a sample console application and here created a sum method which is having two integer parameter and returning type also integer. Let's access this function using func delegate. Func keyword, and inside angle bracket we have to provide the data type of input parameters. Here we are passing two integer parameters, so int comma int, and last parameter should be out parameters, that is returning type of accessed function. Here we are returning integer, so int, and object for delegate is equal to name of the method. Let's call the object. Inside the bracket pass the parameter value, then print that result. Let's check by running. Here's the result. If this sum method having don't have input parameter like this, then our func delegate should only contain the return type of the out parameter like this. Func delegate accepts only the method which having the return type. If the method don't have the return type, then you cannot use func delegate. In func delegate, instead of assigning the method, we can also assign lambda expression and anonymous method. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.